How to add in text in Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to add in particular text on your Alight Motion project, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just open up your Alight Motion project. So let me just quickly select any one of these existing project over here, and let's say I want to add a particular text right over here. So I'll simply tap on this plus icon from the bottom right corner just like this, and I'll simply head over to this text option again from the bottom right corner, which is right above this cross action or cross icon. So just tap on that, and here you can type in basically anything over here just like this. So let me just quickly select it and just type in some random words over here. So as you can see, this might not be properly being seen because of its color, so you can just change your color by simply tapping on this color icon at the top right corner. So just select it. So let me just quickly select it to any sort of visual color over here. So for now I'll simply go with pink, and you can also actually increase the font size just like this, as well as you can also change the font by simply tapping on view all fonts. For now I'll simply go with robot or regular, and you can just paste it anywhere over here or adjust it accordingly. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.